So supplementary to our last video, this is Patreon David, and we're now doing his through holes. We don't know when they were last changed, but I took them out and tapped this one on the floor, literally 2 taps, and it completely fell apart. And you can see where it's gone. It's at the valve, at the junction with the through hole, and it's completely rotted, completely gone. And yet on the outside it doesn't look too bad.
They could be originals, because they could be 18 years old.
But that just shows you that you need to do these by period of time and not by inspection, because that metal is falling apart, literally falling apart. Let's show you the other ones. They're in the sunshine, but we'll try. So that we've given these a good tap. There's several good taps on the floor, and they haven't come apart, but they are showing signs of distress. That one there, see, it's got pink inside, and that one there, lots of pink inside, that probably 50% gone. And then the toilet one, toilet outlet, the valve became jammed literally just the other day, and I suspect that a good whomp would break the through hull away from the valve on that one there. And lots and lots of pink. So there we go. That just proves our point. Oh, we've got the ends of those, haven't we, David?
Yeah.
We've got the ends there. So that's the pieces that we cut off, look. You see, no damage to the gel coat at all. But again, look at how it's pink. That's the copper. All the zinc's gone out of it. That was a little rubber flange that was behind. You can see it pink there. So it was just about ready to go. There we are. So supplementary to last week's video, or the week before last's. Oh, that's the other ones, yeah.
But they had, as you said, rubber washers rather than
Yeah.
flex. So these could be originals.
They could well be, yeah. Lots of pink there. Oh, just 2 more to do. Let's show you the ones we've got already. So they're the ones we've taken out. We've got a bit of horsehair packing around them there.
And then if you could get
All nicely cleaned up. And then there's 2 the other side. So we've just got to clean that up with a bit of thinness. Take the horsehair out, clean it on the inside, and then we'll put the new ones in.